What's going on, everybody? I know it has been a minute since I kicked it with y'all. A lot of releases have come out and I have copped a lot of things, but I've been extremely busy finishing up school. But I said to myself, when this comes in, there was absolutely no way that I was gonna open this without you guys. So here we are today to do one of our favorite things, right? And that's unbox some shoes. So let's see what I picked up, y'all.
Let me sing you with something to remember me by. Love make you feel so good. You'll be singing falsetto. You know the outcome. She cool, but she don't get the job done. I've known you forever. These cats can't outlast us. Them bastards throwing you curveballs to distract us. Talking this and that, running back and forth.
So we have that orange Nike box with that Nike branding on each side. And there is the size tag. So this is the women's Nike Dunk High SP. Official colorway is white, varsity purple, and it is an 8.5, which we all know is my personal size. Oh, come through. Nike, come through. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. A little glue. A little glue. A little factory. It's okay. It's okay. I am still impressed. Okay. I'm feeling it. Let's get to this sneaker, y'all. There's just certain releases that I absolutely have to share with you guys. And so, you know, if it's a dunk and it's a fire dunk, I'm definitely gonna bring it to you. If it is an exclusive dunk, I'm definitely gonna bring it to you. And this right here was a women's exclusive. And it did release in Europe, so you had to put in for those raffles, but I knew that this was coming to the collection, y'all. This is Nike's play off of that 1999 City Attack pack. And I have to tell y'all, once again, Nike has absolutely outdone themselves when it's come to women's releases and when it's come to the dunks. I'll say it time and time again, this is the best quality that you're gonna get for that price point. So this right here was actually $120, but let's get into this materials, okay? So we do have that translucent outer sole, and as we move into that midsole, it is white all around. And when we get into that upper, y'all know that it is that nice soft leather, y'all. And I feel like this leather is about the same that we seen on those Spartan dunks, as well as the Michigan dunk. So once again, as usual, the quality is outstanding. As we get into the upper, guys, we're only going to see those two colors. So we're going to see the variations of white, and then we'll get that varsity purple that's going to basically line the shoe, so the eyelids as well as around the toe cap, and then once we get around the heel, and that swoosh is going to be that purple variation. As we move around to the front of the sneaker, we'll see that white toe box that's going to fade into that white tongue. And as we get to the top of the sneaker, we do have a white tab that has the hints of that golden Nike swoosh. Now, what I like about this sneaker is we do get two sets of laces. So we're going to have those purple laces as well as an extra set of white. And both of the laces are actually satin, which is a nice touch to the sneaker. So as we get inside, if you guys can see, the collar of that sneaker is actually satin. It's a varsity purple, but it is satin. And then you guys can see that white insole that has the varsity purple Nike check in the inside. So the sock liner as well as the back of the tongue is going to be in that satin along with the shoelaces. As usual, guys, very simplistic, but it's about those subtle details in that quality. I'm excited. I am happy I was able to put another dunk into the collection. I want you guys to drop a comment and let me know, did you have any success on the raffles? And if not, is this worthy of the resale value? Let me know, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me to do another unboxing. If you are new to D-Reteat, welcome. To everyone returning, I appreciate you guys. We are on the road to 1,500. I couldn't do it without you guys. So I greatly appreciate you. And before we get out of here, make sure you guys have hit that like button and also subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Guys, I will be getting back to it. Okay, I have to make sure I continue to bring you guys that content, so make sure you turn on that bell so y'all don't miss out on it. Now, you already know. Let's get to this on foot.
And you know, once I hit the highway, babe, you're my next stop. When I pull up, just be ready, and I'll be ready. Anytime you call, just pick up the phone, dog. You know that I'm on my way. I'm coming, baby, I'm on my way out. Told you I'm on my way, baby, I'm on my way out. I'm on my way. I'm coming, promise that I won't stay long. Baby, I'm on my way, baby, I'm on my way out. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm coming, promise that I won't stay long. Baby, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. I'm on my way in town. And the only one I want is you. It's been a while since I've been around. I know I just wanna spend this time with you. So don't tell me you got plans, babe. I gotta make up for this lost time and I'm late. Trying to get back to you. Running out of time, tell me it's not too late. I'm on my way. Tell me where you at so I can get you for the weekend. Know you miss me.